Thank you, Rose. Happy. Thank you, Mami Rudors. Mamaya kasama ko ulit yung mga kapatid ko. Kaso umubilang sila. Thank you, Mami Rudors. Mag-aano kami. Thank you to 27. Kakain lang kami. Magsasamyap kami sa bahay. Doon sa bahay. Thank you, Nika Akot. Sa tingin nyo, i-vlog ko pa yung pagsamyap namin. Mukbang ng samyup. Ayan daw sabi ni thank you. Ako si Bella. Thank you to Bella. Vlog na yan. Yes, i-vlog natin. Kahit kakain lang ako, kakain lang kami. Vlog. Yes. Vlog natin. Na, condense milk. Para sa niyo condense milk.
So boy, give me a chance. Come on, take my hand. Yeah, 'cause you're one in a million. You got
Thank you, Nina Lisa. Hello.
and I know that I'm dreaming.
Anong pwedeng kasama while mukbang? Anong pwedeng igawin namin habang
It's worth a shot.
mukbang lang talaga?
I'll risk it all for you. Put it all on the line. Give me
Q&A? Naku,
Ain't it simple, ain't it straight?
paano ko magpapa-Q&A na ako ngayon?
You got me there.
Maglilista na ako ng Q&A niyo ngayon. Sa IG. May time pa ba? Kaya? Thank you, boy.
So many possibilities. I'll show you
Thank you, Champignon.
that is so true.
Ayan.
I'll be yours and you'll be
Mag-post na ako ngayon. Hintayin niyo ako.
wasting time. Yeah. 'Cause
Thank you,
you're
boss.
You got me feeling like I'm on top of the world. And
Thank you, Reckless Hiker.
it's as appealing than they
Thank you, Ninang Mercy.
and it's worth a shot.
Wait lang. Diyan lang kayo. Makakapag-IG. Pwede ba ka mag-IG habang naka-live?
Put it all on the line. Give me a sign. You want me to ain't it simple?
Pwede. Diyan lang kayo. Hintayin niyo ako.
You're not dead by the way. You got me there, got me there. You put some kind of spell on me. You don't know if I leave you, baby, it's that simple. I leave it.
Q&A. Paano yung masample Q&A? Sige nga, sample lang.
It's that simple.
Wag na. Sample nga ng Q&A.
Hey love, you're all I can think of. And I know that you're riding solo. So why give me a chance? Come on, take my hand. Yeah, 'cause you're one in a million. You got me feeling fine.
Sige, mag-post na tayo. Meron ba kaming picture ng magkakasama ng Facebook? Wait lang ah.
It's worth a shot. I'll give you my heart. I'll risk it all for you. Put it all on the line. Just give me a sign. You want me to ain't it simple, ain't it straight? Can you not tell by the way? You got me there, got me there. You put some kind of simple, ain't it straight? Can you not tell by the way? You got me there, got me there. You put some kind of spell on me. You don't mind
Wait lang.
if
Iniisip
I
ko.
leave you.
Thank you, Ate Sheila.
It's that simple. me show you that I'm in it. 'Cause I'm worth the chase. So take my hand.
Sige, sila na lang mag-isip ng questions, no? Questions they've never asked me before, ganon.
Ain't it simple, ain't it strange? Can you not tell by the way you completely get the pain? You want some kind of spell on me. I do not mind if I leave with you.
Thank you, Simply Via. Sige, sige.
It's that simple.
Sige, ganun na lang. Sila na lang mag-iisip ng question. Okay. Road to 200K. Nicole! Sabihan ko sila.
Hey love, you're all I can think of. 'Cause yeah, you caught my eye.
Nicole!
Feeling lost I,
Nicole!
and I know
Asa na si Nicole? Nasa kabila?
why give me a chance.
Si Joshua ba umuwi?
Don't take my 'cause you're one in a million.
Ako lang pala
You're
nandito.
feeling like I'm
Umuwi sila.
and I know that I'm dreaming, but it sounds appealing whenever you call me your girl. And it's worth a shot. I'll give you my heart.
Thank you, Jessie,
Put
1703.
it all on the lines. Give me a sign. You want me to. Ain't it simple? Ain't it strange? Can you not tell by the
Thank you, Dorothy 519. Sino kuya dyan? Thank you, Ninang Isa.
if I leave with you tonight? 'Cause I wanna make you mine. It's that simple.
Blurred ako.
Hey love.
Thank you, it's me, Des. Thank you, Mama
All
Ace.
that we could be. So many possibilities.
Thank you, Dax.
Show you.
Andito si Henry. Si John Henry.
I'll be yours and you'll be mine. Baby,
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Miss Lee.
'cause you're one in a million. You got me feeling like I'm on top of the world. And I know that I'm dreaming, but it sounds appealing whenever you call me your girl. And it's worth a shot. I'll give you my heart. And I'll risk it all for you. Put it all on the lines. Give me a sign. You want me to. Ain't it simple? Ain't it strange?
Blurred na naman ako.
Tell by the way.
Mahina ba yung signal ko?
Get the pain.
Thank you, Team Paulita, for the tulong. Hintayin lang natin silang dumating kasi alam ko prepare na yung kakainin namin. Thank you, Ralph. Tapos,
Can we slow it down for a minute?
mga siguro 9 and tayo. Tapos, after namin kumain, live ulit. Thank you, Mama Ace. Si Joshua daw umuwi din. Hinahanap ko nga eh. Sabi ko, asa na sumisigaw ako dito. Jason, ay, Nicole, Joshua, wala na pala. Nakauwi na. Sa kanila. Nandito ako sa bago naming bahay. Kaya pala, nakala ko kaya, pero... hindi kaya. Kung sa layo, hindi kaya. Kayang lakarin, pero malayo. Siguro pag naka-tricycle ka, mga 7 minutes, 5 minutes, gano'n. Ano yung walang mo dito?
So boy, give me a chance. Come on, take my hand. Yeah, 'cause you're one in a million.
Hello kami, Reyes. bukas.
It's worth a shot. I'll give you my heart. I'll risk it all for you. Put it all on the line. Just give me a sign. Ain't it simple?
Hello, Jasmine Cara from Tugigalaw. Kamusta po? Thank you, Nina Lisa. Thank you, Miss Chen. Thank you, Marvin. Thank you, it's me. This last day you guys ng campaign tomorrow. So, help me na ma-maintain po yung top 2 para makatulong po tayo sa mga typhoon victims. Yes, noted, Ninang Mercy. Noted po ang bilin niyo. Yes po, kasama po ako sa nagpunta ng Marikina last time. So, itong campaign din po natin para makatulong po tayo ng typhoon victims. Thank you, Docs. Thank you, Ninang Lisa. Wala tayo sa gitna. Thank you, Kim. Thank you, Miss Che. Thank you, Tabella. Thank you, Miraflor. Thank you, Dorothy. Thank you, Jessie. Thank you, Miss Che. Thank you, Arlie, Nathan. Thank you, Reggie Chan. Nina, balot? Gusto kong balot. May chocolate pa ba tayo? Magkano yan? Bili lang ako balot, guys. Thank you, Laura. May dumaang balot. Balot. Ilan ba? Gusto niya. Sila, tanungin mo sila, Kuya RJ. Ito pa, Nicole. 7. Cash na ba yan? Magkano po ba? Magkano po ba yung balot? Gusto niyong balot? Sarap ng balot. Kumakain kayo ng kite? Ako kumakain. Thank you, Kit. Good dia. Thank you, Auntie. Yeah, ako kumakain ako ng kite. Ang sarap kaya ng kite. Bili ko na din yan. Ilan ba yan? Magkano ba? Bili mo na din yan. Magkano ba yung balot? Kita Lynn. May sinain naman. Ay, ano yun ba? Oo. Ilan lang? Magkano ba isa? 17. Ay, Penoy daw sila. Ano, Penoy? Anong gusto niya? Penoy. 15 lang. 15 lang may Penoy. 15 daw yung Penoy, yung balot 17. Ano daw yung kite? Guys, yung sisiw. Yung sisiw, yung kiti. Kiti yung tawag sa amin. Yeah. Itik daw yun, sabi ni 27. Sa amin, ano? Kiti yung tawag. Yes, kumakain ako ng sisiw. Ay, narinig niya. Yung pumutot-tot. Thank you, Charlie. Charlene. Wow, thank you, it's me, Des. Thank ng Thank you, Sir 464.
Can we slow it down for
Thank you, Charlene.
inspiration? Let me show you
Taga, ano po kami malolos. Thank you, Myra.
chase.
Thank you, Minche. Road to 200. Thank you, Sir 465. Thank you, Minche. Thank you, Team Paulita. Thank you, Yer. Thank you, Charlene. Thank you, Myra. Thank you, Claire. Thank you, Charlene. Ayun na ata sila. Oh, thank you, Ninang Mercy. Nicole, ang gagawin daw natin, sabi nila, questions you've never asked me before. So, mag-iisip kayo ng mga questions, tanong sa akin na hindi nyo pa na itatanong. Natatanongin ko. Ay, natatanongin ko. Natatanongin ko. Oo, yan. Vlog. Oo, vlog. So, mga kahit tigis ng question, or take the 2 questions kayo pwede. Questions. You've never asked me before. Kunyari, oy, anong bigyan mo ako ng tanong? Kayo nga ang mag-iisip ng tanong. Anong bibigyan ng tanong? Oo, on the spot.
Das pa gusto mo ha? Ikaw na stream. Salamat ito.
Basta mag-isip ka na nga. Sabihin mo din sa kanila, basta take to 2 questions.
Yung isang nagulit pa natin.
Mingot na. Thank you, Kenny May. Malayo, hindi ko makukurot.
I know that I'm dreaming, but it says to be and it's worth the shot. I'll give you my heart.
Thank you, Charlene. Thank you, Elaine. Thank you, Floor Narbs. Normal po sa amin yun, magkakapatid.
Ain't it simple, ain't it strange? Can you not tell by the way you got me living?
Mag-isip na kayo ng tanong. Thank you, Ayana 11. Thank you, Charlene. Wow. Saan maglalagay? Tutulog na lang. Bakit?
That is so true.
Hindi ako maaano.
Cause you want it,
Pagod na tayo ng
you
ilaw.
got me feeling like I am myself. And I know that I'm dreaming, but it says the feeling. It's worth the shot. I'll give you
Hello, Audrey and RG from Doha, Qatar.
Put it
Hi, Uming!
give me a sign.
Kamusta, Uming?
Ain't it simple, ain't it strange?
Road to 200. Hindi po, nandito lang ako sa sala. Ay, sa sala, sa... Thank you, Diana.
Can we slow it down for me.
Malapit na daw tayo mag 300k subscribers. Salamat po. Thank you, babe.
Cause you're worth the chase. So take my hand. Show the final face. So don't be scared.
Thank you, Uwe, for the tulong. Road to 200. Yes, nakapili na po tayo. Nakita ko na din kay Paulo yung sopa na napili natin na okay naman siya. Andiyan na kayo? Si Mami. Ano ba yan? Ano? Okay. Ngayon lang ha, habang kumakain. Eto ba yan? Ilagay mo na dun sa kabila. Hugasan mo muna. Hugasan mo muna.
Ano ba yun?
Ito.
Ugas naman yan.
Siyempre, hugasan mo na lang din muna. Para sure dito. Ang gagawin, Joshua, questions you've never asked me before. So, mag-iisip kayo ng at least 3 pala. 3 questions each.
So boy, give me a chance. Take my hand. Cause you're one in a million. You got me feeling. And I know that I'm
Questions you've never asked me before.
it's worth a shot. I'll give you my heart.
Alam kayo ng question. Nagtatanong ko.
All the time. Give me a sign. Ain't it simple? Ain't it straight? Can you
Thank you, Sharmeen. Road to 200. Joshua, yung pinatatanong ko sa'yo. Sabi ni ng Mercy.
Mamaya, pag nag-live ka.
Thank you, my simple girl. Char daw, Char. Thank you, Young Vlog. Thank you, Lengang.
Guys, umabot yung scooter. Wala sa akin. Hanggang dito.
Naka-subscriber ka? Anong ginawa mo? Hindi ka natakot?
Sasagasaan ko nila.
Nakarating ka? Ano sabi sa atin? Ay, hello daw, sabi ni Noy.
Ay, ako
Thank you,
pagka-
Dorothy. Ano sabi sa atin? Suot ka daw helmet.
It's worth the shot. I'll give you my heart. And I always get out for you. But it
Thank you, Flornox.
give me a sign. It's simple, it's straight. Can you not tell by the way you complete it?
Thank you, Ninang Lisa.
If I leave you, leave it alone. It's that simple.
Thank you, Team Paulita.
Slow it down for me. 'Cause my heart's gonna race.
Salamat, Umi. Saka, thank you, James. Thank you, March Canilo. Asa na sila? Holiday. Holiday, guys, tomorrow. Mga 10 a.m. tayo. Yung ano, bawal. Sabihin. Hello.
Okay.
Lisa, nag-vlog kami. Niyak ako? Ba't ako iyak? Iyak, walang tulog. Yes, nandito si Henry. Thank you, Morning. Thank you, Jesus. Ha? Matagal pa ba sila, Jason? Ando na ba?
Nasunod ko. Nasunod ko na. Si Alex.
Uwi na kayo? Hindi nyo na yan.
Bibigay ko kasi yung
Kasi,
daming tao ngayon. Lahat na.
tumilip ka lang. Grabe na tayo ay bags ko. Eh, lagi tayong nagpupuyot kasi. Pagkatas ng campaign, di na. Ay, nanonood si Mami. Thank you, 27. Yes. Rest. Si Mami, Lina, kaya tanod doon.
Patalaya.
Mami, pupunta na kayo dito. Bilisan niya na. Tara na dito.
Masadas?
Let me show you that
Alam ko yan din ang kakay.
Thank you, Miss Che, for the dasal. Guys, mag-prepare muna kami na ano namin, ng gagawin. Tapos, mag-live kami after kumain. Ngayon na pala. Ngayon pala pang mag-dinner. Siguro mga 1 hour or 1.5 hour lang. Yes, mag-isama ko kami. See you later, guys. Bye. Tayo ba kumain na? Thank you, Dorothy. Kasi umalis kasi kami, bumili kami ng mga gamit sa bahay. Kaya kakauwi lang nila. Siguro mga 1.5 hour. Wait lang, mag-e-end na ako ng live. Bye-bye po, guys.